Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you I found a new website, so I'm going to share with you. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so the website name is Quick Draw. You can just search in Google Quick Draw and you can see the website over here. So how it works, for if you are poor and nothing to do, you can just use this website. So I'm gonna show you. It's for 20 seconds. You can just draw something and it will translate like what are you drawing, something like that. Like suppose I will make a football.
I see circle.
Sorry, I'm very bad in it.
Or backpack. Or onion.
Okay.
Sorry,
now,
I couldn't guess it.
Okay, fine. So now I will try to draw something like a baseball.
I see here. Or baseball.
Yes, it's right. Now let's go for a man.
I see computer mouse. Or nail. Or person.
Yes, it
Sorry, I
was a
couldn't
person.
guess it.
So guys, that's all for you guys for today. Give me some idea to make some videos. Let me know in the comment section, and also follow on my all the social media. The link is given in the description, and like, share and subscribe. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace out, bye friends.